3. I hear you. Oh, they're talking. Do you hear them?
Mm-hmm. No biting. No biting. No biting. No biting. Well. No biting.
Hey, you.
Biting.
What you doing? What you doing?
You scared. Go along. Here. Go, go, go. I put their egg roll up there.
Okay.
Boink, boink, boink. Look, Mommy, boink, 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 boink.
She's our calm little girl, huh?
Yeah, but this one isn't.
This one's a crazy one. That
Yeah.
one's Aylin's.
Yeah.
Just like Aylin, she's crazy.
Yeah, she doesn't want to be pet. This one does.
Show them how you can pick them up.
Okay. But they're all under there. Ow. I can't even get...
This is the cage, unfinished. We're still working on it. That's their second level. Hi, little girl.
This will be perfect for them.
Mm-hmm.
So they could go up the ramp.
Mm-hmm.
Ow.
Well, when we build the ramp. Oh. We have to cut out the bottom of that so she can go all the way through. Do you hear them?
Yes.
No sniffing bums.
I'm going to tell Daddy to... I'm going to see if I can find scissors to cut that. Daddy?
That's not nice, sniffing bums. That's not nice. Being nosy. What you doing over there, little girl?
Where's the scissors? Daddy? Dad? Oh.
Aylin, come see Mama.
I'm good. I'm going to cut the top out at thing.
Let Mommy do that. Yeah, let Mommy do that.
Here. Here.
Okay.
One.